All right, here's a little explanation of how to how to do your writing assignment for this summer Apex Spanish 3 class. Notice I clicked on plans. I'm in It's Learning and I clicked on plans, and then I see, here you have the option to tell what the upcoming or all of them. I've just got all of them on. So I'm going to scroll down to 5, Unit 5. And over here you see Redacción, Unit 5 Writing Assignment. So I'm going to click on Redacción, and it opens this page. Now the first thing you see are the instructions, and of course the link to the video that you're watching right now. Then in order to, like I said in the instructions, to open the attached document, click on Answer Assignment. So you click here, and it will create your own document, and it creates it in Google Docs. So we'll give it a minute here to open. There we go. Now notice it says you have to log into your Google account. So I'm going to say sign in, and I'm going to choose my school account. I have several accounts, but I'm choosing my school account. And then it opens. Notice up here in the top left, it will have your name, and it'll tell you what assignment you're working on. Here are the instructions. In the instructions, please read everything. Here it says choose one of the two options presented below. You only have to do one of the two options. So option 1, here's your choices. Option 2, here are your choices. Notice that I numbered exactly what it is you're doing. I've explained what verb tenses you're supposed to be using. This unit is working on the present subjunctive, so that's what you're going to be using in your writing assignment. Notice the writing assignment says a total of no more than 6 sentences, so you don't want it to have a gigantic writing assignment. I'm fine with simple sentences as long as your sentences use the subjunctive. I gave you an example. I wish John could sing. I hope he learns. That's English. English doesn't have unusual conjugations for the subjunctive tense when we use wish and hope and desire. Go back and review your lesson if you're not sure what it is you're supposed to be doing here with subjunctive. But I outline it, I think, pretty clearly. The other option is you're still going to use subjunctive tense, but it's maybe not so heavy on the grammar. Again, simple sentences are fine. You do need to use the subjunctive at least once. I think I wrote that in here. Express your wish to see another play, which that's where the subjunctive will come in play. On the other sentences, they're just basically simple sentences, but you're using the vocabulary that has been used in the unit. So, and also, again, it says total of 5 sentences. So 5 to 6 sentences, 5 to 6 sentences here. Don't do both, just do one. If you have any questions, message, email, text, whatever you need to do to get in touch with me, and I'm happy to go over more with you if you need it. So you'll, at the bottom of option 1, if this is the one you want to do, you'll hit enter a couple of times and start your paragraph. So you're going to write it in Spanish, and you're going to say things like, what does it say? Express your wishes and hopes for this friend. So maybe I'll start out with my friend's name is, whatever, etc., etc. So you type your paragraph here, or if you decide to do option 2, then below option 2, hit enter a couple of times and write your answer here. One or the other, but write it below the option you have chosen so I know which option it is that you're writing about. Once you're finished, you honestly can just close that document because it's already, Google Docs automatically saves everything you're working on. So maybe before you close it, go back to It's Learning and hit submit. Once you hit submit, then it'll tell you that your answer is not corrected because now it has been submitted. And don't worry about this over here. I don't know what all that is. But over here, it says that it's not been corrected yet. So that means it's in my box waiting to be corrected. And then you can close the document that you were working on. And that's it. You're done with this assignment. So you only get to do it once. So make sure that what you're submitting is done perfectly. Actually, I think before you hit submit, I think you had an option of, well, anyway, that's it. It's submitted. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this video was helpful.